I'm going to show you how this Chevy Silverado EV is better than a Tesla Cybertruck. The truck bed is just better because the multi-flex tailgate makes it easy to hop in the back. You get 5 power outlets over here to power your equipment, a 5'11" truck bed, but it gets way better because this has a multi-flex midgate. So you can lift the seat bottom, bring down the seat back, and then open this door just like that. So you can extend your cabin into your truck bed. Inside, there's a large 17-inch touchscreen, but it doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. There's a wireless charger, huge snack bin here, 2 apple holders, and a snack tray here that you can slide out of the way to give you some more storage space. There's also a large panoramic glass roof, these heated and ventilated leather seats, a heated leather wrapped steering wheel with a large center screen, a heads-up display, and this has Super Cruise for hands-free driving and lane changing. And it could drive 440 miles on a full charge, make 754 horsepower, and it could do 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds, which is pretty impressive because this weighs 9,000 pounds. Or you can use the truck's battery to power up a camper van like this, where you can go off the grid with a functioning kitchen, bathroom, AC, and of course, a beautiful view. Chevy gave it huge 24-inch wheels, this LED light bar that goes across the front, and because they deleted the engine, you get storage space up front. And this one has a wall outlet, 2 cup holders, and a drain plug to make it easier for you to clean out. But even though this is a massive truck, it has rear wheel steering, so it could turn very easily. The cheaper work truck costs $72,000, but this one costs $95,000, so